All right, I'm here with my oil catch can. Just a tip, make sure to empty this thing out every once in a while or check it. This thing is like, looks like it's flooded already. All right, so let's see how much oil this thing actually has collected in it. And a lot of this is just oil and gunk that you don't need or want in your engine. Oh my God, look at that. That is a lot of gunk built up. Okay. All right, so emptied it all out just so you guys can get an idea of what's actually coming out. All right, and this is with the catch can. All right, preventing all this crap to go back into your engine. All right, look at that sludge. Crazy, right? All right, just swapped out the silicone hoses for the catch can. Now it's running clean. All right, looks good. All right, running good, looking a lot better. Yeah, so that is 9 months from the last time that we installed the catch can. Correction, that is 3 months from the last time we installed the catch can with these hoses. Alright guys, so here we are again with what came out of the oil catch can in the engine. And we also replaced these hoses, silicone hoses, which is a lot better durability and vacuum with the engine. But I just wanted you to kind of see, you know, what came out of the engine. So this is what you call blow by. So pretty much an oil catch can is a canister that is installed, spliced into the intake system between the positive crankcase ventilation valve and the intake manifold. And its function is to catch excess amounts of oil that may be present in the intake system before it can enter the cylinders, which is all this crap right here. So they're simple devices that can greatly benefit direct injected engines, preventing oil and other contaminants from causing buildup inside your engine intake manifold, basically blow by. So yeah, there it is. All right guys, so this was a simple install and a recheck for the oil catch can. So let me know what you guys think, and like and subscribe like always, and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, thank you.